James in Tower Hamlets, good evening.
Hi, Daniel. Thanks for taking my call today. So last Wednesday, I had my full-time employment contract terminated with immediate effect due to a restructuring of the company. So the problem I have now is that having read the employment termination contract, I've discovered that the company are trying to deduct over £1,000 from my final payslip. This is for a gym membership that was being subsidised under an employee wellbeing scheme. So I supposedly owe the company the remaining 10 months of my gym membership balance. I have a 12-month gym membership contract. They'd paid for the first 2 months. They were due to pay for the whole 12 as part of the scheme. So consequently, they're seeking to deduct the remaining 10 months of fees up front from my final payslip this month. And they're doing so on the basis of Clause 3 in an acceptance form I signed back in November. So this clause within the contract reads, should I leave employment here before the end of this 12-month period?
Sorry, James, that just went a little bit dull on the line. Just repeat that, please.
So the clause, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, so the clause within the contract reads, should I leave employment here before the end of this 12-month period, the company reserve the right to recoup from my final salary any of the gym membership monies outstanding. So given the wording of should I leave employment...
Yeah. Does it say I or does it say the employee?
Should I?
Okay. Should I leave employment before the end of 12 months? That is totally ambiguous. Leave could mean resign or it could mean terminate. And as a rule, a court will interpret something that's ambiguous and written by an employer in the way that favours the employee. Okay. So the probability is that a court will say that refers to resignation, not dismissal. And of course, you were dismissed under a restructure.
Yes.
So the probability, if you go to an employment tribunal and claim that the technical name is unlawful deduction from wages, which basically means you took something out my wages, the probability is a judge will say that clause refers to resigning, not just being terminated, and will award you the £1,000 they're trying to deduct. And what a scumbag your employer is.